Hello everyone, Suraj here from Amonra Productions and Edukos. Now, Amonra Productions and Edukos is a cute little tiny place that's situated in Bangalore, and we conduct music production and sound engineering courses. And the major advantage of why you should choose us is we provide one-on-one private sessions. Yes. And there are no extra fees to this. We do not have like a group batch and then one-on-one sessions. We only provide one-on-one sessions. And this is mainly to help the students understand the core fundamentals and the basics of what music production and audio engineering specifically related to studio. Now, over here, we do not have a deadline to the course. What do I mean by that? This course is not like a 2-month, 3-month course. It's not that once you get enrolled, you have to finish the course in 2 to 3 months. Rather, what we do is we give you the syllabus on what we teach, whether be it music production or sound engineering courses, and you have to learn it topic by topic. Provide an assignment. It is only after you providing the assignment, we will confirm if we are satisfied with the assignment that you have provided or not. If only we are satisfied, then you move on to the next topic. If you are not satisfied, you will remain in the same topic unless and until you understand the core concepts of that particular topic. Plus, we offer both online and offline as well. If you're someone located in Bangalore and if you stay close by to Vidyaranyapura, which is very near to Hebbal, your Sadashiv Nagar, and if you're also somebody from Koramangala and if you're willing to travel 16 kilometers, you can come and attend the sessions offline as well. But we also provide online courses, and we have students all the way from Australia and other parts of the world as well. And there are literally no differences in our offline versus the online sessions. What we teach in the offline is exactly what our online students learn as well. Support remains the same. You will get the support not just during the class but also off the sessions as well. We will make sure that your query is attended either through email or a WhatsApp call or even a live Zoom meet, whatever works best for you. Our motto here is to make sure that all the students learn the concepts and become great music producers or an audio engineer in future. If you're willing to get enrolled in our courses, please do email us at info@amonraedutech.com. I will also put the link in the description of our website. You can also click on the website and understand what are the courses that we offer and what are the syllabus each and every course has. And you can get enrolled as soon as possible, because since we do not offer group sessions, there are no batches here. Every student can get enrolled whenever they want to, and the classes are absolutely flexible. If you're a working profession, you really do not have to worry about the timing. We will make sure that the timing that you want to take will be the most comfortable one for you to sit and understand the topics and also learn the topics. So we will make sure of that. And please do reach out to us. You can also DM us. Whatever works for you, please reach out to us and we will be grateful enough to reply back to your comments or to your queries. And even a demo session has been provided here. Please make use of it.